Have you ever deleted an important file, emptied your recycle bin, or lost precious photos after a PC crash? Don't panic. Today we're reviewing 4DDIG Windows Data Recovery by Tenorshare, a powerful tool that helps you recover lost data in just a few clicks, whether it's documents, videos, or entire partitions. This software brings peace of mind when disaster strikes. So let's get to it. For DDIG, Windows Data Recovery is an advanced yet user-friendly data recovery solution. It can restore lost or deleted files from your PC, external drives, USB sticks, SD cards, and even crashed systems. It supports more than 2,000 file types, including Word documents, Excel sheets, videos, photos, and even raw system files. Designed for professionals and everyday users alike, it's a very versatile recovery software tool to attempt data recoveries. Getting started is simple. First, we'll visit the official Tenorshare website to grab the software installer. As always, I'll put a download link to it in the video notes as well. Click on the free download button to grab the installer file. Once downloaded, go ahead and launch the installer. Select your install language and click OK. Accept the terms and click Next. Choose your install location and click Next. Click Finish to exit out of the installer and fire up a recovery attempt. Let's look at some of the standout features of 4DDIG Windows Data Recovery. There's support for over 2,000 plus file types. It recovers photos, videos, documents, audio, archives, and much more. It has a wide device compatibility. It works with PCs, external drives, USB, SD cards, and cameras. It offers partition recovery. You can restore lost or formatted partitions with ease. There's a crash recovery feature. You can attempt to retrieve data from non-bootable or crashed systems. It offers a preview before recovery mode. You can see your files before restoring them. Okay, so now we need some deleted or lost files to recover. For this video, I've created some test folders and files to delete. I'll also clear them from the recycle bin for good measure. Here's how to run a data recovery when the time comes. Choose the location where your data was lost or deleted, like your desktop's hard drive, a USB flash drive, or an external device. Next, select the file types you'd like to search for and click Scan Selected File Types. While it searches for missing data, you can preview the recovered files to confirm what you're looking for before restoring. You can filter these found files by file type, modified date, or file size. Now, the amount of time it takes to scan your drive differs depending on the storage size and state your drive is in. I did speed up the video of the recovery attempt here, but it scanned our lab PC's 256 gigabyte SSD in about 10 minutes total, so not too bad. Once the scan is complete, seek out and select the missing files you want to recover. Sometimes the file names do not get carried over for some recovered files, but the file contents are generally accurate, as long as the file isn't totally corrupt. This happens from time to time in data recovery, especially with empty files such as these example files. Again, select your desired files and click Recover. Next, choose a safe storage location. I highly recommend restoring these files to a different storage drive initially if you have any concerns. Click Save Now. Now you'll notice here that the free version allows you to preview the files that 4DDIG can recover for you. To fully recover these files, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version. To do this, you can click the Buy Now button at the recovery screen or visit the link in our video description. Be sure to look around the Tenorshare site as they usually have promo codes or discount deals available. Tenorshare has provided us with a license key to test the Pro version, so we'll continue with the recovery here. Once recovered, we can browse the files it copied to our USB drive. Okay, now that we've run through a data recovery, let's quickly break down the pros and cons of 4D dig recovery software. The pros: there's a simple interface, powerful recovery engine, wide file support, and reliable preview option. The cons: the free trial allows scanning and file preview, but you'll need the Pro version to save recovered files. Still, for critical data recovery, it's absolutely worth a shot. Overall, Tenorshare's 4D Dig Windows data recovery is a valid option for anyone dealing with lost files and attempting to get them back. Whether it's accidental deletion, formatting, or even a major crash, it's worth a download. So if you want powerful, reliable, and potentially easy data recovery, this software tool is a must-have. Check it out today and overcome your fear of lost files. I hope you enjoyed this video covering Tenorshare's data recovery software. If it's been helpful for you, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more product reviews. It really is the best way to support the channel. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.